Alright guys, I've got it all out of the packaging, and I'll zoom in. It's a very nice looking vacuum cleaner. Electrolux. It's got the removable cyclone barrel. Fantastic. Not real heavy. You got your telescopic extension. You got two different power heads, another head, bag of instructions and goodies and extra fitments. I think this is a very good unit for $200. I mean, you can't complain. In a 2-year warranty, how can you go wrong with that? All right, catch us after, guys.